All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us still on the matter. Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about right now. The saga between Chief Sunday Igboho and Gani Adams. In fact, a lot of people are not relaxing. In fact, they are not sleeping onto this matter, and many people have come out to release some of the issues on ground and some of the statements. In fact, most people are not finding it easy with the Aare Ona Kakanfo Gani Adams right now. Right now, everybody is backing Chief Sunday Igboho. We have said it times to that number. Chief Sunday Igboho stands for the truth. Yeah, so we know Chief Sunday Igboho to an extent that this man, anytime this man comes out to say, no, I am standing on this, you should definitely know that this man is always standing for the right thing. And that's exactly what is going on right now. Yeah, so another information that is actually reaching us had been made made clear, which is going viral on social media. According to what had been stated, it was stated that Gani Adams came out earlier before this time, that he was recorded, that all the information, according to the news reaching us, all the information that got out about him, that he was recorded by Chief Sunday Igboho and then some other people that were close to Chief Sunday Igboho, according to what we earlier got. But this time around, with the another news reaching us that be stated that Gani Adams, according to the statement reaching us, that Gani Adams is now of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho bucked into his private. Somebody is a betrayer. Not to even talk about somebody like the Aare Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land. Why should that be? Why should that be? What would have warranted people to alter that kind of a statement? That's exactly what we are talking about. If you're a betrayer, meaning you are not supportive of the movement. And another one is that you are trying to bring down the people. But this shouldn't be coming from somebody who is the Aare Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land, because the fight, what Chief Sunday Igboho is fighting for, is for the people to have rest of mind, for the people to be able to have good life, most especially the Yoruba people. He made it clear that he cannot open his eyes. We have said it times to that number. Chief Sunday Igboho made it clear that he cannot open his eyes and then allow his people to suffer, that he will go to any length, and then we saw everything that happened. This man went to prison because of the Yoruba people. How else do you want him to express his love for the people? A lot of people are not like, but this thing that this man did was supposed to be the job, the function of the Aare Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land. But we don't understand why he is now laying down himself. What could have warranted it? What was that thing that actually pushed him? What love does he have that made him to say, oh, no, I must do anything for my people? And a lot of people are not like, we are expecting this kind of a thing from the Aare Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land, not even from a random person. Chief Sunday Igboho, in fact, if not for what he did, nobody would have even talked about him. No position was given to him as far as Yoruba land is concerned. In case you don't know, they just know him as a powerful man that is on his own. Yes, he has worked for politicians in the past, fine, but that doesn't mean that he was given any position to be fighting for the Yoruba people. No, but just because of the love. That's exactly what the people are now saying, that the Gani Adams is just a betrayer, that we don't know why he's bringing the issue of Chief Sunday Igboho now that Chief Sunday Igboho is back to Nigeria. What is he trying to let us understand? Somebody's of the opinion that, thank God the person on seat is even a Yoruba man. If it was to be an Hausa man, a northerner, like what they did in the past, because the northerners don't even like any other tribe apart from them, they believe that they are born to rule. Though as it stands, a lot of people were looking in the direction of the president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Many people never believed what is happening right now. I know a lot of people actually voted because they believe that if a Yoruba man gets there, things will be better. Fine, but he got there. A lot of people were disappointed. It's not what they expected that they are saying. But to an extent, he is there, he's saving a lot of things, most especially as Chief Sunday Igboho is back to Nigeria. My brother, my sister, don't let it get it twisted. If it were to be another that is there, I know a lot of things will go wrong there. That's where you see some of our Yoruba people will now be sabotaging themselves. That's where you see some of Yoruba people will now be betraying themselves. During the time of the former president Buhari, we discovered a lot of a lot of betrayers. That's why you see that, oh, this one is a traitor. It rained then because somebody who was there as the president was not a Yoruba person. So one of them can easily just go there and say, okay, don't worry, let us bribe us. We will reveal this. Bribe us, will reveal this. Because they know that the person there does not value what is happening in your own land, but the person there now values it because it's a Yoruba man. That settles it. And right now, everything that Chief Sunday Igboho is doing, just like I said, Chief Sunday Igboho is just a random person as far as in Yoruba land. If not for for what happened in where is it called, this city, Igangan, where they buy this Chief Aborede. If not for what happened there, Chief Sunday Igboho would have come out to say, okay, yes, I want to fight for my person. But from there, a lot of people started knowing Chief Sunday Igboho. So this man is Igboho. Oh my God, who is this man that is fighting for Yoruba people like this? Who is this man that is actually so supportive of the Yoruba people like this? Then everybody now started getting to hear about Chief Sunday Igboho. Oh, Igboho, okay, it was the one that he came from Igboho, he fought for that Modakeke stuff and all that. You understand? But if we want to take a look at the real title that was given to the Aare Ona Kakanfo, Chief Sunday Igboho is not even supposed to come out and be doing that. No, a lot of people have come out and made it clear that what Chief Sunday Igboho is doing is the job of the Aare Ona Kakanfo, who is the Iba Gani Adams. And if you want to take a look at what the position stands for, you will understand that this position of Aare Ona Kakanfo is not a position of pleasure. Yes, it's not a pleasurable position whereby you can just sit down in a befitting place, in a befitting compound, in a befitting environment where AC will be blowing you, where you just attend meetings and come back wear white. No. I think it's more than that. Not that I even think it is more than that, because according to what actually reached us, it was made clear that the title of Aare Ona Kakanfo was created to check the excesses and frequent incursions of Ibaribas into Yoruba territories. During that time, Ibaribas were terrorizing the Yoruba nation, and then when the then Alaafin realized the gargantuan nature of the problem, then he created the title of Aare Ona Kakanfo. His duty was to watch over the homeland with the help of assistant commanders who had a special army. You can imagine, who had a special army. And then not only this one, the criteria for the selection of title holder to be the Aare Ona Kakanfo, you must be a great warrior. You can hear that. To be an Aare Ona Kakanfo, you must be a great warrior. And then you must be very courageous. For instance, look at what is happening in Yoruba land now. For Fulani to enter into our land and then go scot-free by a lot of people. They even rape many people, did all sort of things, stop our people from going to their farmland, where we have the Aare Ona Kakanfo, who is supposed to be a warrior. Nothing happened. Where we have the Aare Ona Kakanfo, who is supposed to be so courageous to meet with these people and say, get out of my land. You are not supposed to be here. My people need to go to their farmland. Where will you be buying my people? That is the function. I'm telling you the function of the Aare Ona Kakanfo according to what had been, according to how it had been written, according to how it is. So you should know that anybody that is given that no title must do all this. In fact, he's supposed to be he's a warrior that they give that kind of a job to. I must be courageous. That is that title for you. The title of Aare Ona Kakanfo was created to check the excesses and the frequent incursion of Ibaribas into Yoruba territories. See, when we're talking about the Ibaribas, now you'll be talking of all these Fulani people, all these strangers that are coming down to Yoruba land to cause commotion, to make the people cry, to fight the people. These are the Ibaribas. And it had been made clear to check the excesses and their frequent incursion of these Ibaribas into Yoruba territories. And it had made clear that during that time, Ibaribas were terrorizing. Can you hear that? They were terrorizing the Yoruba nation. And then when the Alaafin realized the gargantuan nature of the problem, he created the title of the Aare Ona Kakanfo. For as many people that do not know what this position stands for, people will just be like, oh, Aare Ona Kakanfo is like a strong title that will fight for the Yoruba people. If we take a very good look at how that title come about, how it came about, you now understand that it is not even the duty of Chief Sunday Igboho to do all he did. Chief Sunday Igboho is supposed to just be an ordinary person that is watching, but because of the courage God gave to him, the same courage that the Aare Ona Kakanfo is supposed to possess, because according to the explanation that was given, it had been made clear that that person, that position, that title is given to a warrior, a courageous person. And then before that kind of position will be given to Gani Adams, I know the Alaafin must have seen that, oh, this man is capable. He's capable to do that. He will not make the Yoruba people cry. He will not make these people suffer. He knows everything. Yes, his duty was to watch over the homeland with the help of assistant commanders who had a special army. You hear them? Who had a special army. And the criteria for the selection of the title holder to be the Aare Ona Kakanfo, you must be a great warrior and then very courageous. The creation of the title stopped the invasion of Yoruba land by external aggressors. Can you hear that? That was not the title when they created Aare Ona Kakanfo. All the aggressors, all these external people that were coming like these Fulani people and the rest of them, they ran, they flee, just like what Chief Sunday Igboho is doing. And exactly what a lot of people are expecting the Gani Adams to be doing. But instead of that, it's another thing we are hearing. If at all there is a dispute, if at all there is something that is not working fine, no, this is not even the way to go about it. Coming on social media, letting all that tribe know that, oh, you people are not in good terms. It's not supposed to be. I'm getting a lot of reactions though onto this one. Because for people to be saying Gani Adam is a betrayer, that he does not love the Yoruba people, no, it's uncalled for. Before that kind of title would be given to you, then you should know that you are supposed to stand out. You are supposed to stand out for the people. And then it's a pity that we have found ourselves in this kind of situation, because with everything that is happening in the country right now, most especially in Yoruba land, we don't expect all this to be happening at all. We don't expect all this to be happening, because that title alone is to protect the Yoruba people. And then a lot of people are of the opinion that the reason why all this are happening is because the Aare Ona Kakanfo is so jealous of Chief Sunday Igboho that the duty he's supposed to handle is what Chief Sunday Igboho is handling. And then with the way the whole thing is going right now, my brother, my sister, is something that everybody needs to be careful about. We need to tackle this. That's exactly what it is. We need to tackle this so that things will work out the way it's supposed to work out. Thank God a Yoruba man is the president. Only God knows what would have happened by now. Yes, Only God knows what would have happened by now. Well, my people, this is exactly what it is. On to this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.